Hello, I'm Peter Vinogradov, and I'm here to talk about high and low pressure again. I mentioned last time that circulation cells of the atmosphere dictate where areas of low and high pressure form and travel. While there are other factors that contribute to what pressure does, these cells set the standard for how weather generally occurs across the whole globe. This is because circulation cells are the product of many other things, some of which include, as mentioned last time, the insulation of the Earth, the oceans, and also the Coriolis effect, which explains how things move in relation to the Earth's rotation. All of these contribute to the system of circulation cells, which shows there's a lot of things also affecting pressure, but it is due to the culmination of the system. All of these are responsible for creating the winds and pressure that move across the world, shifting as this system changes throughout the seasons. These areas of pressure then go on to have a hand in the effects on weather at a more local scale within a single continent, most notably in the formation of mid-latitude cyclones. These are created by Rossby waves, which are from jet streams running between the circulation cells of the atmosphere, in which a stream's change in latitude causes a pressure imbalance, creating a cyclone that spins off from the path of that jet stream. Cyclones, the low pressure areas, form when a jet stream makes a ridge, a turn in its path towards a higher latitude, while an anticyclone, which is the high pressure, forms where there is a trough, so more when there's a bend towards a low altitude. So as it kind of moves up, cyclone, spins off that way. And these highs and lows then bring forth the weather that we are more familiar with, kind of more day-to-day things that we interact with, like weather fronts, which are responsible for the thunderstorms and clouds that we see moving in the sky, which in cause is created by air masses that get mixed together by cyclones moving wind around and encouraging weather, the collision of air masses. Tornadoes are also created by cyclones, as the winds that are created across a continent create friction with the surface, which generates vortexes and therefore tornadoes. Tropical cyclones are a more extreme version of the cyclone, and they are fueled by the incredibly warm waters of the tropics that easily mix with the humid atmosphere, which creates a big mega cyclone, a hurricane, or just a tropical cyclone if you're from down under. So those are what the H's and L's on your weather app usually mean, as they show the effects or weather across whole sections of continent. But high and low pressure can affect weather on an even more precise space and even more specific locations. So you can learn more about this kind of local weather next time on. And here are my sources.